Is it not you that I do this for?
Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before the end of this video. And if you are already subscribed to this channel, thumbs up. Thanks for coming back. Today I created this look using 3 palettes. One from Too Faced, the chocolate gold palette, and 2 from Huda Beauty, the rose gold textured eyeshadow palette, and the Desert Dusk palette. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Welcome back. Let's get into this tutorial. I'm going to be using the Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette and the textured eyeshadow palette. This one of course is the one that is remastered or rebranded, I guess. So I'm going to be using both, as well as my Too Faced chocolate gold palette. First transition shade I'm going to be using will be from the textured palette from Huda, and I'm going to be using Henna. Next shade I will be using is Maneater. I'm going to go into the Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to use Saffron. Next, also still using the Desert Dusk palette, I'm going to be using Oud or Oud, O-U-D, and that's the shade right here. Come and let me tell you something about myself, yeah. And I don't wanna lose it all tonight. I don't wanna be caught in between the show. Oh yeah, she feeling me cause I'm Wazy. I didn't want it that dark, but this is so pigmented. I'm just gonna go with the flow. Going back into Maneater. So next I'm going to go into the chocolate gold palette. And I'm going to use this shade called New Money. It's pink, purple, I don't know. I'm not so good with colors. Pardon me. So I'm going to use the shade right here. I'm going to take that and pat that right on the lid towards the outer V. Tell a lot them they can walk up. Tell a lot them they can scatter. See that girl over there. Next I'm going to use the chocolate gold shade, and that's the very deep gold shade right here. And I'm going to put that next to the New Money. She feeling me cause I'm Wazy. She feeling me cause I'm Wazy. Next shade I'm going to use is called Rich Girl. Oh, should I use Rich Girl, or I'm going to actually use Dripping Diamonds. I feel I want a little lighter, so I'm going to use Dripping Diamonds, and this is the shade right here. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner of the eye. blend that into chocolate gold.
You better know what you want when you come my way. I really don't got that much time for me to wait.
I'm feeling that. I'm feeling it.
Wazy, so Wazy. How you do it? How you do it? So Wazy, yeah, Wazy, Wazy. She feeling me 'cause I'm Wazy, yeah.
Next, I'm going to apply my liner. I'm using the 6 liter from Tarte.
All around, yeah. Come and let me tell you something about myself, yeah. And I don't wanna lose it all tonight. I don't wanna be caught in between.
Now I'm going to go off camera and apply my foundation real quick, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and did my foundation. I used the Urban Decay All Nighter in shade 10, and I conceal / highlight with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 10 Sand, and contour with Fenty Matchsticks in Espresso. And now I'm setting my face with Hairspun Translucent Extra Coverage Setting Powder. I'm going to line my waterline with Urban Decay Perversion Glide On Eye Pencil in black. Perversion.
Is it not true that I do this for the way you?
I'm going to go into that chocolate palette, chocolate gold palette from Too Faced, and now use this shade here called Love and Cocoa. It's a green shade. Love and Cocoa, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line / waterline. They only feel me 'cause I'm too foolish. She feeling me 'cause I'm Wazy. And right below that, green. Actually, the one that I just used, I said it's Love and Cocoa. It's actually Money Bags. So I was reading the name on the bottom, so it's actually called Money Bags. Because I would figure the green would mean money, right? Yeah. That's what I just put on the lower lash line. And right beneath that, I'm going to go ahead and put from the Huda palettes the Rose Gold Edition Textured Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to use the Maneater that we used earlier on the lid, and I'm going to apply that right below Money Bag. To set my powder contour, my cream contour with this powder contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in Tan to Dip. So I'm going to be using the shade right here. I'm going to be using this one right here. This chisel trim and contour brush, also from Sigma. I'm going to contour my nose. Shall we go out like this? Alright, so I'm going to dust off the excess powder. I'm going to be setting my face with Urban Decay Chill Cool and Hydrating Makeup Setting Spray to keep everything in place. For blush, I'm going to use from Juvia's Place the Saharan Blush Volume 2, and I'm going to use the shade Tahoe, and this is this one right here. And my eyeliner today is from Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy.
I'ma get my body, yo. Everybody things that they talk up. Tell a lot of them they can walk up. Yeah, tell a lot of them they can scatter.
Highlights my problem.
She only want me for one reason. She don't wanna prove it. Everything you believe it. You be the only one for me. I don't want nothing less for sure. They only feel me cause I'm truthful. Yeah, she feeling me cause I'm Wazy.
For my tear duct today, I'm going to be using from the Too Faced Gold palette, that chocolate gold that I used in the middle of the lid. I'm going to take that and put that in my inner tear duct. Can't describe that. I'm starting to see gold. I'm going to line my lips with Alkaline, and this is the 24/7 Glide On. I think it's eye pencil or lip pencil, but it's from Open Decay.
I've been moving all around.
Should I use green? Green might be too much. Let's do purple. So I'm going to use Bury Me Too from Dose of Colors.
She feeling me cause I'm Wazy.
Going to apply Open Decay Troublemaker mascara to my lash. Just a little because I'm going to put on my falsies. So I have my lashes in, and I'm using from Nubian Beauty, Nefertiti. This is the final look. That's the tutorial for today. I hope you like it. I love how the colors came together and each one kind of accentuating the other one. Looks beautiful. I love it. Let me know what you think. Leave comments below. Don't forget to click on the notification button. That way you do get reminders anytime, every time, whenever I post new videos. Until next time, stay blessed.
She only want me for nothing less for sure. They only feel me cause I'm truthful. Yeah,